Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've watched my previous video, you guys saw that I revamped an old wig of mine, and in this video I'm gonna be installing it. So I'm just cleaning up my forehead and making sure that none of that makeup is in the way. So this is what the wig looks like. I absolutely love how it came out, you guys. It was a long, tedious process, but it was absolutely worth it. And now I'm just tinting the lace just to make sure that it matches my skin color. Now I'm just fitting the wig and making sure that it sits from ear to ear, and then I went ahead and cut off the side tabs off camera. Yeah, now I'm going back in with my wipe and just removing excess makeup, because the lace does have makeup, so I have to make sure that I remove that from my forehead. And now I'm just going in with 2 layers of the Bling Girl glue. I absolutely love this glue, you guys already know. And yeah, the only issue that I have with this install entirely is the fact that I placed it too high up, and yeah, it just made my forehead look bigger than it actually is. But yeah, overall I enjoyed this install, and now I'm gonna keep quiet and let you guys keep on watching. So when I was placing the wig down and sticking it down, at that moment I did not realize that I had placed it too high up. I think the issue was my bald cap, because my bald cap basically determines where I'm going to place my wig, because I always place it an inch below my bald cap. But with this one, yeah, I did an oopsie. Nonetheless, it was cute. It was a cute little install. Could have been better if I had placed it exactly where I wanted it to be. So now I am just going in with a hair dryer, a blow dryer, and making sure that that sticks down, that lace sticks down. And then I went in with my lace melt band. I went in with 2 of them because I like to double melt for about 20 minutes. Yeah, you really want to keep that band on, because it really determines how long your install is going to last. Besides the glue, you know, even if you use spray, like, you have to use your lace melt band, because that really ensures that that lace is not going anywhere. So now I am cutting the lace. I did cut it off camera. And then now I'm just using more of that glue, that Bling Girl glue, to stick down the parts of the lace that did not fully melt or stick down. I did leave a lot of lace, because that's when I realized, when I was cutting the lace, that's when I realized that I placed it too high up. So there was absolutely nothing that I could do. I had to leave lace, but I did later on cut it, like when I installed the wig. After this video, I did install it a couple of times, so I did remove the excess lace. So yeah, now I'm going in with my glamour spray. I went in with 2 layers. I always make sure that if I'm doing 2 layers of glue, I'm also going to be doing 2 layers of the glamour spray, and this ensures that my wig lasts a full week and even more, depending on how many times I decide to touch it up. Don't forget your wet wipe, just to remove the excess glue that you don't need on your skin. And now I'm just blow drying that. And yeah, I'm gonna do this twice, and then I'm gonna put my lace melt band back on. how are you guys liking my nails? I did them myself. They came out so cute. I'm still like very much a beginner when it comes to nails. Yeah, I'm still practicing, so I really like how that set came out. I did a couple of other sets after this one, but yeah, I really like this color, this pop of red. It's really, really cute. So I'm gonna leave my lace melt band on for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna get into melting the lace. Oh wait, before we get into melting the lace, I'm now just defining my parting, and I decided to go for a middle part. And look at how deep that middle part goes back. Like, I am so obsessed because I made sure when I was sewing this frontal, I made sure to leave enough space so that it fits my head, and it fit my head so perfectly, you guys. Like, honestly, I feel like I'm gonna be doing this a lot more often with my other wigs. If I want to revamp them, I'm definitely doing the same sewing technique. If you guys want to see that, go ahead and watch my previous video. So now I'm going in with wax stick and my heat protectant spray, as well as my hot comb, just to sleek down my middle part. I did not hot comb the hair section by section like on the sides like I normally do, because I did do that on the mannequin head and I felt like the hair was flat enough. And also I was a little bit bummed by the fact that I placed it too high up, so I wasn't really motivated to do anything else. I didn't even do baby hairs because I was just like, it's too high up on my forehead. It's not even gonna look cute. Baby hairs are not gonna save me. So anyways, now I'm going in with my makeup, my stick foundation on the lace, and then I went in with two of my melting sprays, the Isoplus spritz, as well as the Rarlon wigs melting spray. And I was actually running out of it in this video, and I can't seem to find it anymore, you guys, because they don't sell it anymore. So they have other melting sprays that they are selling at hair stores, and the only issue that I have with them is that they are just too shiny on my lace. I'm already wearing transparent lace, so I want to do my best to like blend it into my skin. So when it's all shiny, it's just not cute. So sometimes I just go in with the Isoplus melting spray only. Anyways, enough rambling. Now I'm just taking my hot comb and some wax stick on my hairline just to push the hairs further back. I always love to do this. This also helps in terms of like not getting hair on your lace when you're placing your lace melt band, because those little hairs that get stuck on the lace are so annoying to remove. So just a little tip right here. So now I'm going in with my serum. I went in with the L'Oreal Elvive or Elvive serum slash hair oil. I didn't really show my products in this video because you guys have seen them a million times. Now I'm going in with my heat protectant. Once again, very important to do this, you guys. Like, heat protectant is so important, otherwise you could literally damage your hair, and we want to keep these wigs for a very long time, so you have to make sure that you apply that heat protectant. So I'm going in with my Reflections straightener, and I'm just straightening my hair. I already straightened it on the mannequin head, but I like to do some final touches on my actual hair, on my actual head. Yeah, just so that the hair frames my face a lot better. Even though I did not cut layers on this wig, it still looks really cute. I'm still gonna learn how to do layers, you guys. I'm just a little bit, scared, but honestly, I just feel like I need to build up my wig collection, and then once I'm comfortable with that, then I will be able to do layers. So now I'm just perfecting my parting, because that middle part has to slay. Like, you cannot mess up a middle part. You cannot do that. So you guys are gonna see me go in a couple times with that comb just to make sure that it's precise. So I tend to OD a bit with wax stick because I honestly love a flat install, you guys. I know that wax stick is like very oily and greasy, but honestly, it just does it for me. I love the flatness that it gives, and honestly, this is the only time where I use it. When I'm touching up my install, I don't really go back in with wax stick because I've already used it a couple times. I just go in with my heat protectant and mousse and then my hot comb, and then I'm done. So yeah, please do keep that in mind. So now I'm just working on my potting, and yeah, I'm using concealer, two concealers, yeah. So as you guys can see, this was a very quick and easy install. I didn't really do too much. I kept this wig on for an entire week. It lasted an entire week. So yeah, I went in with my Clicks holding spray and my hot comb just to seal the deal and make sure that, you know, no flyaways interrupt me. And this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.
Show